So today, boys, we're going to teach you how to rev match downshift. Oh, okay, she died. But we're going to try to rev match downshift the old thumb star here. Me and Scully are going to try to both rev match it. Rev match downshifting is definitely pretty cool when it sounds pretty cool.
When you get it right, it sounds really good.
Yeah. You see a lot of guys on their 250 and 454 strokes always trying to rev match downshift. You can always hear them coming to a corner or something. Basically what you're doing is just you're hitting the gas like as you're like pulling your clutch to downshift, you're like hitting the gas and kind of matching the RPM with the downshift.
Yeah, so basically what he said, just to give a little more on it, basically you just want to get it so you're basically engine braking, but you're keeping it at the same RPM, trying to keep it at the same RPM that it's at. It
sounds cool too. You give it like a blip, I'll do like a blip and I'll downshift
instead of straight just pressing the shifter down.
Yeah, they call it rev match downshift.
Yeah, that's why.
It's kind of a term that you use in cars and bikes and everything like that. The Warrior did not like to rev match downshift very well. The thumper here is nice and snappy and it sounds pretty good, so maybe I'll get some drive-by clips, me rev match downshift, and then we're going to have Scully hop on the bike and see what he's got. So this can make you appear very cool to all your buddies.
Right.
When you get your first bike or whatever you guys are doing. It's definitely a 4-stroke thing. 2 strokes you can do it, but it doesn't sound as nice. I think it's a little bit more difficult because you got the power band with a 2-stroke. Whereas the 4-stroke, you got a nice quick blip at the throttle. So we're gonna start this thing up and we'll get some clips. So when we get this thing rev mashing.
Hopefully the wind noise isn't too bad out here, guys. We apologize. Little double rev. Oh, that was a good one. Yeah, you don't really want to rev match in the first. That's kind of a rough one. That one up there was good.
Oh yeah.
All right, let me give it a go.
I'm gonna do a few more tries on the road. Like with my traction, like the grabbing of it makes it a lot. It was sounding a lot better on the grass.
Oh yeah.
For some reason on the road, I'm not doing it as well. But sometimes, if you want to, like, if you try to drop too many RPMs and you downshift, like second gear, and you're going pretty fast, and the RPM is going to climb up, it doesn't sound good. So if you're kind of like, coasting in, and you rev match downshift, it kind of sounds pretty cool.
And you don't really want to go to first with the rev match.
No, that just goes first.
Yeah, first kind of rough. Tune game.
Boys, so now Scully's gonna hop on. Alright, boys, Skull, he doesn't really ride this bike as much, so kind of gotta get used to it. Ooh, yeah, he's got it. Sounding good. Let's see what happens in the drive-by. The Thumpy's got a lot of snap to it. He's like that. He says it's bogging. Oh, he like 2-stepped it. can't like punch it so much.
Yeah.
You gotta kind of be gentle. Like have a little bit of throttle action. Oh yeah, but rev match downshifting, guys, it's a fun time. And obviously we're not like experts at all, so don't take us as experts. We just try our best. See, that was a pretty decent rev match there. Kind of just blipped it a little bit. I might convince him to hop on. I'll hop on one more time.
That was like a 12
And obviously this is just for like, you know, fully manual bikes. Semi-manual is not going to work that good unless you can somehow hold your foot down in between the gear and rev it. Definitely want a hand clutch for this. I'm just smelling my hands. I just smell gas on my gloves. Oh god, I spilled raw gas all over my hands earlier, guys. I'm gonna convince him to hop on one more time and get a few more clips.
Me?
No, me, I'm gonna hop on there.
We're no experts, so don't kill us too hard in the comments. That's good.
There you guys have it. Basically the combination is just, you know, hitting the throttle a little bit. Only like you like doing like a the first gear, I'm just kinda like flipping it and then like pushing it down and letting it off. Kinda makes that little snap noise.
Yep. Howdy.
But other than that, let me know what you guys think. We'll get some more content, the other bikes.
Heck yeah.
Town Motor. The good news is, I was going to tell you guys.
If you wait until the end of the video, you'll see this.
Yeah, Town Motor actually is going to be sending us a brand new engine for the 140 DBX1. I contacted their customer support and it was covered under warranty. So the motor, I'm not sure when it's going to arrive. Maybe
very
a week
nice
from now.
Thank you, Town Motor.
So Town Motor's been very generous, but the bike was only 7 months old. So good news, guys. We're getting a new motor. So
well, like, comment, subscribe. Peace.
hang on forever,